I'm scared. Scared you'll leave and never come back.
Kofi.
With just one simple prompt, you can create 3D AI animated videos like this using one completely free AI tool and upload them on YouTube, TikTok, or any social media platform of your choice. I'm about to show you a new AI video tool that most people don't even know exists yet, and it's still giving out free access. Not only that, but it gives you 200 free credits every day for just logging in. Everything you just saw was created using this free AI tool. From the story, the characters, the voiceover, the lip sync, to the animations, all in one place. If you will find that this video helpful, consider subscribing to my channel because more value awaits you. I will leave all the tools and all the prompts I'm using for this tutorial in the video description and the comment section below. All you have to do is come over to Anijam.ai. It's formerly known as AniStudio by Design. Once you are on this page, what you want to do is log in. That's if you already have an account, or click on Start for free to sign up. It will ask you to either sign up with your Google account or create an account by entering your email and your password. And just click continue. It will ask you to verify your email address. Just copy the verification code and paste it here and click sign up. Once you sign up, your interface will look exactly like this, and you'll be awarded with 1,500 credits for just creating an account. And you can click on check in to receive 200 extra video credits every day, just like I have done here. And this is your prompt box. This is where the magic happens. To get the best out of this AI tool, we need to feed it with a complete cinematic story idea. This includes the title, the theme for our story, the setting, and the character. By giving it this, the system then expands this into a full structured script, scenes plus prompts. Everything will come from our initial input here. This is the most important step because everything else is built on this, but you do not have to stress yourself on how you're going to structure everything perfectly for you to get that cinematic outcome. I've got you covered. I have this master prompt that you can simply copy and paste into the prompt box for you to get that cinematic outcome. All you have to do is edit it to match what you want to be creating. All you need to edit is the story title, the story theme, the story idea, the story setting, and the number of characters. Also here, ensure that you give them a certain identity for the AI to know exactly how to generate the characters for you. Once you are done, just copy it and paste it into the prompt box. You can also attach files and images, but I'll just leave it like this and allow the AI tools to generate everything for me. Once we insert our master prompt, we hit generate. From there, the AI will start creating the story outline. We'll be able to see it from our right-hand side here. Let me just put this at the center for you to see everything clearly. From there, we need to select either to generate a final video with the audio in one go using the AI director mode, or generate keyframe video and audio step by step. We have the power to choose. For this example, I will choose AI director mode. From there, the AI will ask me to choose the best audience for my story. I'll go for teenagers. The platform, I'll leave it for YouTube. The aspect ratio, I'll leave it to 16:9, but you have these other options. And on the audio mode, you can either choose a voiceover or music only. That's if that's the type of videos you want, but I'll leave it to auto. On the duration here, you can go over 10 minutes long, but for the sake of this tutorial not to be long, I'll just leave it to 3 minutes and hit confirm. From there, we'll see our story outline here on our left, which includes the title, the goal of the story, the characters, the objects, the location, all the notes, and the entire scene for the entire video that we have. I'll just drag it here and wait for the AI to finish up the whole process. Once the story outline is completed, what we need to do is to select the design style. Just click on this button that says Style Design, or the art style for our character. Do we want a 3D Disney style, or we want a 2D style, an anime style, or we want a realistic style for our character. So we have all these different options that it has displayed for us here. Or we can come to the style library and select a style of our choice. This looks exactly like in design. We can come to 3D and choose a 3D style that would want. The style you choose here affects how your characters look. I'll go full cinematic palette because that's the style I want my characters to be created in. From there, all you have to do is click on concept design and we'll be able to see our characters palette appear. From there, all I have to do is click on generate all concept. The system will then generate the characters, the props for our characters, and the entire environment. This step locks the visual consistency across all scenes. As we can see, our characters, the props for our characters, and the entire environment have been generated. And as we can see here, it has generated 2 characters in which we only need 1. So for us to edit this character, all I would do is select these 3 dots on my image and click on place on canvas. And I'll see my image here. So what I'll simply do is bring it to the front. And once the image is selected, I'll see the describe button here where I can type in anything I would love to edit on the image, or the erase feature here, which allows me to select a part I would love to erase in the image. Try both and check out which one works pretty well for you. I'll just type in a prompt that says remove the person on the left. I want to remain only with the person on the right, and hit generate and wait for the results that the AI will generate for me. It will generate 4 versions of our character. We need to select one. I think I really love how this one looks. So what I'll simply do is I'll hover my mouse between these 2 images and I'll see this plus icon, which allows me to add more elements to my characters panel. All I have to do is click on these 3 dots here and click on select from canvas and select my character like this, and I'll see it uploaded there. From there, all I do is copy everything about my character and paste the description in the prompt box like that. And I'll copy the name of my character and paste it here like this. And I will delete this one and I'll remain with a single character just like that. From there, there is this one most important tool that you must always check on as you're generating your images in a scenario where you do not see what you're supposed to do next, which is the to-do list here. As you can see, it has created our story outline, it has designed our visual, it has generated our art concept. The next thing is a building storyboard. So if we cannot see an option where we need to click in order for us to build a storyboard, we can always type it here in the prompt box and hit generate. And the AI will continue from exactly where we had left from. Now, once it builds the story outline for us, it will ask us on how we would like to proceed with the video generation. Would we want to generate all the videos at once, or we would want to generate them step by step? It all depends with how much time you have when creating these videos. I'll select step by step for this example, and I'll follow the process on generating scenes one at a time for the entire story that I have, and it will begin generating our videos. As you can see, it is using Clean to animate our videos. Our first batch of animation is done. What I have to do is just click on Generate Scene 2 for the continuation part. From here, this gives you the privilege to preview how the animation for each scene has been generated. Again, when the second animation is done, I click on Generate Scene 3 for the AI to continue animating the scenes for the story that I have. I'll keep on repeating the same process until I am done. And there we go. We've given the AI just one single prompt and it has generated the story outline for us, which includes all the characters, the objects, the location, the styles, and the scenes for our story, the concept art, which includes the characters, their props, and the environment. We've edited the story and it has finally animated everything for us. So this is the AI director because that's what we had selected. And when I click on how to do this, we'll see that everything has been checked. For us to download the video, all we have to do is come to the timeline here on top, and we'll be able to see everything. Let me zoom it out a bit. And these are the video clips that have been generated for us. We'll be able to see the video. We can also add caption, but I highly recommend that you do all the manual editing using an external editing tool. If we would love to save this video into our PC, all we have to do is click on Advanced Export here export it as a video, the format as MP4, the resolution as 1080p, but these are the lower resolution. That's if you would love to go with them. And the frame size, I highly recommend 30 frames per second. But if you'd love to do some zoom ins and zoom out, I highly recommend that you go for 60 frames per second. And I'll leave everything as is, and I'll just click on Start Export. I'll give a name to my file. I'll select my folder and hit Save. In my video, they exported just like that. So that's how easy it is to create 3D AI animated videos using a completely tool. If you have any suggestion for a video you would love me to cover, let me know in the comment section below. I would really love to hear from you. From here, God bless you. See you.
Ama.
It's almost ready.
Ama, I'm scared. Scared you'll leave and never come back.
Kofi, this dream, it's not just mine. It's for us. For our future. Kofi, I have to go.
So that's it? You've already decided. I don't matter.
That's not what I said, Kofi. Why won't you listen to me?
Love is not a chain, it is a root. Roots don't hold you back, they give you somewhere to return to. Let her go, Kofi. And trust that what is real will find its way home.
Read it when you miss home.
I'll come back, Kofi. I promise.